Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island. I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. Today should be a pretty interesting day. I'm actually going to be meeting up with one of my subscribers, which is going to be pretty cool, I hope. I hope I don't get catfished. I hope it's not like a guy when it's supposed to be a girl, I don't know. But I'm actually now heading towards the gym. So the first thing I'm going to do is head to the gym. And she did suggest that, you know, she could probably take me to like a close Walmart nearby so I can go get some new gear, because like as I said in the previous vlogs, I'm traveling really lightly. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the gym and get this workout in. Yo, that's the best part about like being on like a mini vacation. Like you can spend more time with yourself, go to the gym, eat better, stuff like that. But anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next clip. Alright, so I just got a quick 30-minute workout. I have like 30 minutes more to like go get a shower and everything, because she said she's gonna be here for like 1 o'clock, but maybe she's gonna be late, I don't know, but it'll be safe and sorry. So whew, try to keep fit. Anyway, so like I did meet up with the subscriber now, which is cool, and she's not a man. Well, she just said that she might be a man, so I don't, it's not my prerogative, I don't care. But we're going to
straight to stay on Atlantic Avenue.
Red Lobster to get something to eat a bit, you know, and thing. I think she's gonna be too nervous to be on the vlog, so I'm not gonna, you know, like, yeah, but yeah. Oh my god, my battery's dying. What the hell? I charged this shit. Anyway, if you guys don't see nothing more in the vlog, yeah. And I'm trying to do this in very short snippets so that the battery stays alive. So maybe the next thing you see is a food. But we all know what Red Lobster is like, right? So we here.
You don't want shrimp and I want shrimp, so I'm here for that.
I think I'm gonna get the steak and lobster. So I'm gonna get, and yeah, we just here chilling, vibing, talking, yeah, getting to know about like, you know, life itself and whatever. And I'm gonna jump off because the battery's blinking red again. All right, so I got the a garden salad that has like some C's or whatever on it, and there are some croutons in there. Croutons are like toasted bread kind of. And of course I have this thing here. It looks really weird, but it's supposed to be a strawberry mojito. Alright, so I did get the lobster and the steak and whatever, and Maria is over there eating like a hog. Say something. Alright, so we had the, what you call it, the Red Lobsters. Yeah, that's the Red Lobster. Went to Target, got a few stuff because again, as I said, I never had any clothes. Just passed my house just now, but we're going to get some coffee or something like that. And yeah, good day so far. It's not raining, not that cold and thing, and everything is pretty chill. Let's get it. Alright, so we're now in Serengina's, whatever it's called, getting some coffee. Why are you laughing like that? And
Yeah,
what are you doing? Yeah, so we're in Serengina's getting some coffee, and yeah, it's pretty dope. It's gonna pretty much be like ending the little meet and greet. It was really good people, really nice, very kind. And I'm gonna get my coffee. Throwing trash.
no, of course because it's not garbage. I made a joke with my cousin.
Oh, so.
And I threw the trash on the floor, and she said, "Why did you do that?"
So
and
are you a litter bug? You're a litter bug.
And I said, "Cause Brooklyn garbage."
That's not cool. So I'm pretty much having this this coffee with, what you call it, oat milk. It's pretty good. I never knew you could get milk from oats.